Here we are going to demonstrate the multiplication of decimals. And here we are going to demonstrate how to multiply 4.68 to 546.123. So we can put the 546.123 on top because it is the bigger number, and put the multiplication of 4.68 below. So we're going to do 8 times 3 will give us 24. So the units of the 24, which is 4, we carry down as 4 units. And then you have the 2, which is like 20. And then we going to say 4 times 2. But saying 4 times 2 is like saying 4 times 20. So 4 times 2 will give us 16. And then that's like 160, but we say 16 because the place position there, although that's 200ths. Okay, but we look at it that way, and then we add the 2 now to the 16 to give us 18. And we're going to repeat the same thing with it with the 24. So now we have the 1 to contend with, okay, because we're pretending that the decimal point is not there. Okay, so we can treat that as units, tens and hundreds and so forth. So 8 ones are 8, plus that 1 there will give us 9. So we have 9 there. Then we continue 8 sixes. 8 sixes are 48. So now we have 8 fours. 8 fours 32. And we have the 4 now that will give us 46. So we have the 46 to contend with. Bring down the 6 there. And then we have the 3 to add to. So we say 8 fives of 40 plus the 3 that will give us 43. Okay. Now bear in mind, you notice we haven't touched the decimal yet. Okay. All right. Now, because the 6 now, we're treating that as 6, we're ignoring the decimal point. So we're treating that as 600. Okay. Well, that line there, we can take out this line from there because we already have to put a line. Okay, so we come down and we're going to start with the 6 now. Because the 6 now is in the hundreds position, ignoring decimal point, we're going to put a 0 there for place value. And now we start multiplying by 6. 6 3s are 18. So we carry down the 8. Okay, that 0 is supposed to be right beneath the 4. And then we go 6 2s are 12. Plus that 1 we had there for the 8, that was 13. Carry down the 3. Make sure that 0 is under the 4. And then we go 6 1s are 6 plus that 1 will give us 7. Make sure the 0 is under the 4. Then we go 6 6s are 46. Carry down the 6. And the 3, we have the 3 to contend with. 6 4s 24. 24 and the 3 will give us 27. And we have the 2 to contend with. 6 5s 30. 30 and the 2 will give us 42. And we're going to multiply by 4 now. So now because the 4 is put it in, then we put another 0 for place value. Then we must start multiplying the 4 by the 4. 4 of 3 is 12. Bring down the 2. Make sure that 0 is under the 4 and 8. We have the 1 to contend with. 4 2 is 8 and 1, that will give us 9. Then we go 4 1s of 4. 4 6 is 24. And number 4. And we have the 2 to deal with. 4 4 is 16 and 2. That will give us 18. And number 8. And we have the 1 to contend with. 4 5s are 20 and 1, 21. So make sure that they are aligned properly. And then we're going to add now. Just want to make this setup right. So there we're going to put the line because we're going to add. And we're going to add vertically. 4 plus 0 plus 0 will give us 4. 8 and 8 will give us 16. So we put bring down the 6. We have the 1 to deal with. 9 plus 3 was 12 plus 2. All right, 12 plus 2 was 14. Plus that 1 will give us 15. So we write down the 15 because we have to bring down the 5. And we have the 1 to deal with. 8 plus 7 was 15. 15 plus 9, that will give us 24. 24 and 1 will give us 25. We have the 2 to deal with. 6 and 6 are 12 and 4. 16 and 2, 18. Bring down the 8. Okay. So what we need to do now is to bring this in, bring this in, bring this in. Okay. Bring more space. Okay. So did we bring down the 8? Not yet. And we have the 1 to deal with. 7 and 3 is 10 and 4. 14 and 1, 15. Bring down the 5. We have the 1 to deal with. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 and 8. That will give us 14. So we need some space there. We need some space there. We need some space. Some space. Some space. So did we bring only 4? Not yet. And we have the 1, 3 and 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And the 2 plus 0 is 2. So let's align this properly. And now what we do, we count the decimal places. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to have 5 decimal places in our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 2,545.85564. So we can easily prove our answer. Here comes the suspense moment. Get our online calculator. And we are multiplying 4.68 times moment of truth 546.123. 5.546.123. Voila. 2,555.85564. There's a slight error of 2,545. Okay, 85564. I have the 85564, but I have a 4 there. So something went wrong. I did not add properly. Here, let us see, that's supposed to be a 5. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. And I must have missed out that 1. There must be a 1 I must have missed out. Let me see which one it is. The 1 from the 14. I did not add the 1 from the 14. I brought down the 4. But now, when it comes to add the 1 now from that 14, I did not, or the 1 from the 5. Let's check that again. Okay. Okay, so we have 8. 4 plus 4 is 4. 8 and it is 16. So that's where it started. Okay, it look like that is where we started. Let us color code this. So 8 and it is 16. There is a 6 there. So bring on the 6, carry the 1. Look the 1 there. 9 and 3, 12 and 2, 14 and the 1 is 15. So look the 15 there, and then the 1 up there by the 8. Okay. So that's 1 of the 50. 8 and 1, 9. 9 and 18 and 1. 9 and 9, 18. Okay. 18 and 7. 25. Okay, so look the 5 there. 18 and 7, 25. So that is that 5 there. And there's a 2 now. 6 and 4 is 10 and 4. 6 and 4 is 10 and 6, 18. 6 and 4 is 10 and 6, 16 and 2, 18. So the 18 there. Bring down the 8, there's a 1 up there. The 1 from 18. So we have 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11. 11 and 4, 15. So that 15 carried the 15 there and carry that 1 up there. So we have 8 and 2, 10. 10 and 5, 15. Oh, that's supposed to be 15. 8 and 2, 10 and 4, 14 and the 1 is 15. Look at 15 there. There it is. And then now you see the 2 5, that 5 and that 5 is just 2 5s there. Okay, now there's a 1 from that 15. So 3 and 2 5. So that gives us the third 5. So you have 1 5, 2 5s, and 3 and 2 5. So I just missed out a typo. And that's how you basically multiply fractions. At first, you treat the numbers like whole numbers. Okay, ignore the decimal point. Treat them like they are whole numbers. And after now, you just count the decimal number of decimal places. That will be total. The total decimal places will be the total decimal places in the answer. And that's basically how you go about multiplying decimals.